I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious wings in an air fryer. First, ensure your wings are super dry. This is key for that perfect crispy skin. Next, toss them with just 1 tablespoon of olive oil and your favorite spices. Finally, preheat your air fryer to a hot 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This simple preparation sets the stage for amazing results. Now let's get cooking. Place your seasoned wings in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Avoid overcrowding to allow for even cooking. Cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through. This ensures both sides get beautifully golden and crispy. Always check that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Want truly crispy wings? Here are a couple of pro tips. For that extra crunch, crank up the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the final 5 minutes of cooking. You can also try dusting your wings with a tiny bit of baking powder before cooking. It works wonders for crispier skin. Remember, never overcrowd the basket. Cook in batches for the best results. Once your wings are perfectly cooked and crispy, it's time to enjoy them. Immediately toss the hot wings with your favorite sauce, or serve them plain if you prefer. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like chopped parsley or cilantro adds a lovely touch. Don't forget your favorite dipping sauces, such as creamy ranch or tangy blue cheese. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly air-fried wings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.